3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Nag-miss pa kami. Ayusin mo kami.
Grabe yung kilay ni teacher.
Morning, ma'am.
Grabe!
Ma'am, bakit mo na yung
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, bakit mo na yung ma'am?
Ginamit mo yung marker.
Drawing yung kilay. Oh my gosh.
Hindi man.
Nag-ready ko.
May nakakatawa ba, boys at the front? Sabi ni Casey, present if you are, if I call your name. Ashley,
Present.
Casey,
Present.
Rob,
Present.
Charlie,
Present.
Josh,
Present.
Josh,
Present.
Will,
Present.
Clarice. Mamaya pa yung PTA natin. Ha? Bakit nandiyan? Mika,
Present.
Brent,
Present.
Easy,
Present.
Kira,
Present.
Michael,
Present.
River,
Present.
Dustin.
Present.
Please.
Iba, igayos pa ako.
May mukha kang estudyante dyan.
Kaya nga.
Hindi ko pinapakapakin ko lang ng candy.
Kunin ko lang po yung name tag ko, ma'am.
So everyone, I am Ma'am Castro, and I am your newest housemate.
Yeah!
Now get one whole sheet of paper. Wala, di ba?
Wala.
May toothbrush kayo. So, I want you all to introduce yourself to me so that, like, I can know you. What's your motto in life and what's your hobby? Ashley.
Nakabahan ako. Hello, Ma'am Castro. I'm Ashley Ortega, but you can call me Ash po. My motto in life is try until you succeed. And my hobbies are eating, working out, watching movies, and
Give me no sit. AC, Bonifacio. Ano mo si...
Andres Bonifacio.
Andres Bonifacio dun sa kabilang side.
Wala po.
Okay.
Okay, hello po. Easy Wing Fashion po. Nice to meet you. Motto in life, easy is not give up. Do not give up when it gets super hard. Hobbies, I dance po.
Me too. Rob?
Good morning, Ma'am Castro. I am Ralph De Leon. My motto is excellence is not an act, it is a habit. And my hobbies include judo, working out, and rock climbing.
What a talented sport you are. Charlie?
Hello
May
po.
nakakatawa ba, Charlie?
Wala po.
Go.
Hello po, Ma'am Castro. I'm Charlie Fleming. My motto in life is don't do to others what you're gonna do with that dessert.
Don't mind my joggers, class. I am a PE teacher. I'm a Anong section to? Sobrang ingay. Josh?
Hi, Ma'am Castro. It's nice to meet you. My name's Josh. My motto in life, just stay positive because everything happens for a reason. My hobbies, I like playing basketball. I love sports, and yeah, nice to meet you.
Exactly. Will?
Hello, Ma'am Castro. My name is Will Ashley. And my motto in life, do things that your future self will thank you for. Hobbies. I play computer games, basketball. Yun lang po.
Computer. Ano naman tayo? Ba't may nakisiting parents dito? Clarice?
Hi, Ma'am Castro. I used to be a co-teacher. Remember?
Oh, ikaw yung sa...
I saw you nagpagong earlier.
Repeater ka ba?
Yes, I actually, I brought my song.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Hello, hello.
I'm Clarice de Guzman. I can sing, act, dance, cook, name it, I'll do it. May motto in life, kapag may tiyaga, pagod ka.
Oh, yes. Thank you so much, Clarice.
you.
You may now stand up still. Mika?
Hi, Ma'am Castro. I'm Mika Salamanca. I sing, I do vlogs, I content create, and my motto in life is do whatever you love as long as you're not hurting anyone intentionally.
Gandang bata nito na pwede ito pang Miss Intrams, di ba?
Thank you, Ma'am Castro.
Ikaw, Brent? Patapyasan yung ano, parang more than 3 centimeters na yung buhok niya. Tapisan ko yun later, ha?
Okay. I'm Ma'am Castro. I'm Brent Manalo. Motto in life, go, grow, and glow. Hobbies, traveling.
Kamukha mo yung asawa ko. May asawa ko eh. Easy? Bakit naka-sleeveless yan? Ha, hindi yan pwede dito sa school natin, ha? Oh, pati ikaw, Charlie. Bakit ganyan? Dapat, ano tayo, demure yung mga babae. Go.
Okay, hi, Ma'am Castro. I'm AZ Martinez. Motto in life is always trust in the Lord. And hobbies are off-road, camping, racing. Yes.
And making soup. Okay. Kira?
Good morning po, Ma'am Castro. My name is Kira Ballinger. My hobbies or the things that I'm good at is acting, singing, playing the guitar, writing songs. My motto in life is be kind and compassionate towards others.
Such a smart girl. Stand still.
Yeah.
Okay. Michael! Ooh, you seem so very prepared. So excited to meet me.
Hi, Ma'am Castro. Ako po si Michael Sager. I'm an actor and a host. My motto in life is, the past is history, tomorrow is a mystery, and the present is a gift. That's why I live life one day at a time.
Wow. Michael, balita ko, hindi ka daw nakatulog kagabi.
Okay.
Sobrang excited ka ba kagabi.
Kasi Mama, ramdam ko na darating po kayo at excited lang po akong makita ko yung mukha ninyo at yung kilay ninyo.
Gusto ko yung wow mo ngayon. River, bawal magsanda dito next time sa class, ha?
Yes po, Ma'am Castro.
Class! Shut up! Go.
Hi, Ma'am Castro. I'm River Joseph. I like acting, playing basketball and golf. And my motto in life is just go with the flow.
Sample.
Single pa yung papa mo?
Wala na po.
Sorry. Dustin!
Hi, Ma'am Castro. I'm Dustin Yu. My favorite quote in life is, just do it. And my hobbies are...
Parang same.
My hobbies are playing basketball, swimming, and golf.
Okay, thank you. So since this is my classroom, ako yung masusunod dito sa classroom na to. I have my rules and regulations, okay? Number 1, bawal ang mga magaganda, dapat ako lang. Sa lahat ng mga magaganda, wala naman, okay lang naman. Number 2, no cursing of words, okay? Strictly no saying of bad words. Number 3, no phones. Phones are allowed pala. Where are your phones? Get it?
Here.
Oh. Number 4, papatawag ko kayo sa principal's office. Once I caught you cheating.
Got you.
See? That's a brain exercise for y'all.
I hate this school! My God! My God!
Clarice, mag-sit in the air dito sa harapan. And lastly, I want y'all to respect yourselves. Okay? Joshi, what's the English of? I will not tolerate bullying in this class. Understood?
Yes,
Okay. Class dismiss, and cook me some morning breakfast.
What do you want, Mom?
Anything. Okay? Oh, lastly, dapat may mga bigay kayo 2 gifts sa Teacher's Day sa akin. Okay? It's not a want, it's a need. It's a necessity, okay? You have questions? Nagmadali ako eh. Actually, nagulat din ako eh, class. Kakagising ko lang kanina.
Bakit suot yung sapatos ni Sir? Co-ed day ako eh.
It's a new trend.
Unisex.
Unisex po itong ano. Ba't ka natatakot, Mika?
Wala, Mom, you're so intimidating.
Because of your microblading.
Ang ganda ng mga suot niyo ngayon, ha? Sobrang pinaghandaan niyo naman ako. Kaya talaga mga anak.
Mom, nasan po yung baso kayo eh?
Yung baso, the past is history and the present is mystery. Any questions? Clarifications? None. Ako muna masusunod dito, hindi si Kuya, ha? Si Ma'am. Ma'am
Castro.
Got it. Okay, class dismiss. Class dismiss, matututbrush muna ako. Do it, Mom. Sino yung nagluluto dito?
Bye.
Ano ba yan?
Sayang out.
Nagputs pa ako!
Peace na tayo, guys.
Tara, balik na.
Normal class na kami, diba? Nag-effort ko. Kala ko
Hindi na talaga
gadgets
siya
pa
pwede.
ako.
Sino na bukas? Ako,
Ma'am.
Ay, sayusin lang yung itlog pagluto. Dalian, pakidalian.
Okay po, ma'am.
Grabe, duwi-duwi yung makeup.
Ay, may mga tumbler na kayo na?
Ano po?
Parang andyan yung sa anak ko.
Ay, ito po. Si Isnir.
Ay, anak niyo po si Isnir?
Yes.
Ba't po siya di pumasok?
Sobrang
Pasaway, Athena.
talino nitong bata.
Bakit wala po
Ba't po
siya?
siya di pumasok?
She's sick, actually.
Ma'am, ano pong lesson natin today?
Yung lesson natin today is about the chicken's life cycle.
What time po yung recess natin?
Recess? Wala pa. Dismiss. Actually, ikaw pwede ka na lumabas. Dismiss na kita. Do you know that the first cycle of the chicken's life is egg?
Egg po ba ang nauna?
Yes. Pero niluto mo agad.
So nauna yung egg po sa chicken, ma'am? Bago
Una pa yung...
Or nauna po ba yung
chicken or
chicken sa
yung-
egg?
Ito pala.
Egg.
Minsan pa, late. Pasaway itong batang to. Next time, pag magsi-CR, mag-ano sa akin, ha?
Paalam.
Paalam sa akin, ha?
Okay po.
Clarice, timplahan mo ako ng kape, Clarice. You know, a black coffee.
You want with laurel and
Adobo na yun. parang na-disappoint si Michael dito kasi. Yes.
ano po, you want black or cream one?
Gusto ko yung medyo creamy white.
Yes, dahil gisingin na.
Mundo. Kagaya ng pag-gising kanina sa akin ni Kuya.
Kaya meron mo mula mata mo, ma'am.
Pero kaya pala bell. Bell.
Oh, yeah.
Bel Mariano pa kayo.
Bakit hindi ba?
May resemblance, ma'am.
Bel Mariano. Oh, our transfer student here, our
Exchange.
exchange student. How's the school so far, my boy?
Oh.
Oh, naman.
Laban.
How are you, Michael?
I'm okay, Ma'am Castro.
Don't you do that to me.
Sorry, Ma'am Castro. I like your shoes, Ma'am Castro.
Yeah. It's unisex.
It's giving.
Grabe. So, ganito kayo dito? May ano kayo? May... Ooh.
Lagyan mo lang init ng tubig.
Napasok ko, hindi.
Na magkakape ako ngayon kasi medyo, you know, my days kagarabi, my days long. Bakit ka nagsa-side eye sa akin, Mil?
Alam, Ma'am Castro. Ang ganda-ganda mo pala. Personal. Kahit na...
Talaga ba na? Talaga? Di tayo magka-quiz ngayon. Hindi natin alam.
Ma'am, here's your coffee.
Oh, thank you so much, Clarice. Top 1 ka din natin.
You want more sugar syrup?
Balak mata akong lasunin na.
No, Ma'am
Ito.
Castro, I love you.
Pwede kang kandidata natin sa Queen of Hearts.
Sige po.
King and Queen of Hearts.
Bagay. Parang tao yata eh.
Hmm?
Bagay.
Yeah. King and Queen.
Bogart naman bukas.